Hi guys, my name's Henry and welcome to Boss Content. So DJI have just released their new FPV drone. FPV stands for first person view and it is a completely different game to normal drone flying. With normal drones like this Mavic Air 2, you have control of it going up and down, left and right, forwards and backwards. However, with the new FPV drone, you can invert it, you can fly upside down, you can fly vertically down, vertically up, a lot faster than these drones can. And you can get some pretty unique shots with it. I've always wanted to get into FPV, but I just never had the time or patience. You have to be able to build your own FPV drone, you have to be able to weld and connect all the circuit boards together and repair it yourself, and even the really good FPV drones had a battery life of about 5 to 6 minutes, and if you're flying it really fast then it can even be 2 to 3 minutes. But now with DJI's new FPV drone, it comes ready to fly out of the box, and all you have to do is charge the batteries and you can go. I used to fly remote control planes when I was younger, I used to build them, and so I'm kind of used to flying things that aren't necessarily a typical drone, but that was a long time ago. I haven't flown remote control planes for several years, so it's going to be interesting. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how easy or difficult it is for a complete FPV beginner like me to fly the new DJI FPV drone. About to test out the DJI FPV. I'm a little nervous though. It's going to be the first time of me flying it, so let's see how it goes. Help me. It's a good start. There's a piloted aircraft approaching, which you can see actually and start to hear now, and it sends a signal to my drone saying that I can't take off because otherwise it's a danger, which is a really good feature, safety feature. So actually that wasn't too bad. I have got it in full manual mode, and it's actually not as scary as I thought it was going to be, which is good. So I think, to be honest with you, even if you're not used to flying FPV, I think you can pick it up pretty quickly. I mean, that was the very first flight I've ever done on an FPV drone. Obviously it's nothing dramatic, nothing serious, you know, like you see people flying through, you know, car windows and trees and stuff, so it's going to take a while for me to get up to that level. But yeah, I think it's pretty good so far, so let's do another test run. I'm going to keep practicing using the DJI Virtual Fly app so I can get good without crashing a billion times. Also, I found using the controls a little counterintuitive, so I think it's going to be quite a steep learning curve. However, the possibilities with this drone are endless, and DJI have just opened up a whole new world of cinematography for videographers like myself. Alright guys, so that's it. That's my first impressions and first flight of the DJI FPV drone. If you're someone who already flies drones, maybe you've flown remote control planes in the past, I think that you could probably pick this up pretty quickly, especially with the DJI Fly app, and you can put the goggles on and practice in the simulator. But if you haven't flown drones or remote control planes in the past, I would stay away from this at first. I'd go for a Mini or a Mavic or something along those lines, which is just a little bit easier. Cinematography and all that aside, this is a really fun, expensive, but fun toy. I'm going to be taking this out all the time, flying it over forests and cliffs and stuff, and the fact that you can put goggles on and really be immersed in it is it's a lot of fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of videos in the future using this drone, so stick around for that, and I'll see you in the next video.